What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. Our bakery is opening once again. Our very exclusive micro bakery.
Yes. We're doing another video where we pretend to be bakers.
One time only, 6 items only.
And the theme this time around, because we are very sugared out.
We're sweet, but we don't want to eat sweet.
Not right now, at least. Is savory. We're opening a savory bakery.
We're offering only savory items today only.
Yes. But like, you get all the things you expect to get from a bakery. Scones, cookies, muffins, just in savory form.
Yeah, what's not to like?
Exactly.
If you don't like it, don't eat it.
If you don't like it, don't come. So yeah, we're gonna make some savory baked goods.
What are we making?
Originally, okay, we're gonna make like a gochujang cheddar scone. Because I couldn't find cheap kimchi. We're gonna do a thyme and vanilla cookie, which I would say is the sweetest on this list.
Yeah.
It's still a cookie, but it has that herb in it that kind of like makes it a little less sweet.
Don't come for us. It's savory.
And then a garlic and herb muffin. And balsamic mushroom tarts, which have already been partially made.
Partially prepped. The magic of TV.
That you will have a recipe for. It will be on the blog.
That's why it's been magically prepped.
But yeah, that's what we're gonna make, and it's gonna be delicious.
Obviously.
What would you like to make?
That's a great question. Muffins.
You want to do the muffins?
I guess so.
Sweet.
Will I regret that?
Why would you regret it?
Well, because I don't really know what goes into it.
I mean, it's our muffin recipe, and then you add garlic and herbs to it.
All right.
That's kind of the only. That's as far as the thought process as I got to.
Wow, this happened last time where I made muffins first.
Did you?
Yeah.
What muffins did we make last time?
Yeah. Muffins.
I'm gonna start with the cookies because the dough should chill in the fridge a little bit. So I'm gonna do those first, and then we'll move on to scones and stuff.
Nice.
And hopefully our puff pastry will be thawed for the tarts. So dumb.
Oh, right. And I was lining the muffin tin, and it takes me forever to do it. Why did I just agree to this?
You can switch if you want.
No, it's fine. I'll be fine.
I'm gonna do like a shortbread style cookie. But basically like a slice and bake cookie. That's what I'm doing.
What's she doing? What's she doing?
I'm thinking about the cookies that I'm trying to make. What? Where are those cookies? Where did those come from?
Are you all right?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
You can also alternatively, if you want, do it like this, where like you turn it over and you just pre-make it.
Oh. You definitely told me this last time.
That works also. It won't stay in until you start putting batter in, but
This is just chaos.
I mean, you chose really big pieces. But it's okay, Devin, you got this.
This is why I don't like making muffins. I remember every time.
There is still an opportunity to switch.
To switch it to a loaf.
I mean, you could actually if you want to switch it to a loaf.
But I don't want to waste all this paper.
I mean,
now.
I'll use them.
You'll use the paper?
Yeah. For muffins later.
It's fine. Okay, I think I'm done.
All done? That's
Yeah.
the recipe?
We're just gonna have some air.
I actually do need to switch sides with you again.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like we haven't done a bakery video in a while, and it feels chaotic. How are your muffins going?
Great. I don't know.
Wait, that changed.
My brain feels like
All over the place?
so scrambled.
Yeah, mine too, a little bit.
I am reading things 5 times.
Oh.
And that's normal, but I thought we were past it.
I mean, I think it looks great what you're doing.
All right.
I hope I put enough thyme in here.
For it to be like noticeable.
Yeah, I think I did.
It looks like a good amount.
Yeah, we'll see.
When do I add flavors and seasonings? I can do that once it's all combined.
What are we adding to it again?
That's a great question.
Herb
Herbs.
stuff, all into the dry
Before the wet?
before you get it combined, yeah.
Okay. What herbs were you thinking?
I don't know.
What are you thinking?
Whatever you want.
What are you thinking?
I also have, you can use dry, but I also have thyme that you can add in.
Uh-huh.
And there is some parsley in the fridge if you wanted to add that in, but that requires chopping. And that feels not fun.
That feels above my pay grade.
Yeah. I agree. All right, into the fridge. I've got my thyme and vanilla cookie dough going into the fridge to harden.
Now, is this supposed to be fresh garlic? Or
I don't think it has to be.
Okay. Good answer.
Did you... I'll move on to scones, or did you want help with muffins?
I think I'm okay.
Cool. I don't think it's been this chaos for a while.
No.
This is a different level of chaos.
I don't know what's happening.
Should I make less scones? Like, this makes like 8 decent sized scones. Should I cut this in half and just make like 4 scones?
Probably. That would be fine.
Cool. We're only serving 2
We're
people.
expecting a huge crowd. And we want them not all to get something. You know, is it like the scarcity technique?
Yeah.
Ugh, that sounds so evil.
I'm gonna add a splash more milk. I forgot that there's sweet potato in this. But I'm also putting gochujang in this.
I think that would count for some of the liquid.
Yeah, I think so too. So yeah, I'm just kind of really making this up.
You are so brave.
Well, like, it just means it won't be, won't be able to actually put this as a recipe until I make it again and measure it.
Same.
Okay, Devin.
Yeah.
4 scones. How much gochujang should I put in?
Oh gosh.
Right?
It's powerful.
It is pretty strong. But I also want it to still, like, I want people to be able to taste that it's in there.
Yeah.
So I don't want to go too light and risk it not really tasting like anything. Like, is that too little?
Oh, it's so hard to tell because that could go a long way
I know.
in cooking.
I think I'll add just a teeny little bit more, but this is about how much I'll do. And then we'll see how that turns out. Welcome back.
Okay, we're open for business.
Yep.
Come on.
What do you want to try first?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm most nervous about, well, I don't know. Do you think they're gonna be spicy?
I think they'll be a little spicy, but not too spicy.
I'm nervous.
But having those first might.
Okay,
take
last
the
then.
rest.
Okay, you're right, last.
So what do you want first?
Let's do muffins,
Okay,
maybe?
you want to split a muffin?
Yeah.
Because it's huge. Look at this muffin.
Well,
I like a savory muffin, I think.
that is very flavorful. I really wasn't sure, but actually, it's a lot of time.
But I don't like too much.
No? Okay.
No, I like it. I
Me
would
too.
eat, yeah. I would make this instead of a sweet muffin. And I think I'd eat this with pasta.
I think it could work.
Wow, I really like it.
Okay.
What's next?
I think it has to be the mushrooms. They're speaking to me.
Come down. And they're warm.
That's such an easy yes. That's like some perfectly crispy puff pastry layers.
Yeah, it did really well.
The mushrooms, the feta. More thyme.
Delish.
Yes.
Yeah, there's thyme in 3 of these things.
Yes.
Sometimes you can't buy all the herbs because they'll just go bad.
Sometimes. Guess we have to have the cookies.
Yeah, you want to split one?
Yeah.
I'm wondering if it'll be enough time. This is also like semi-sweet because there's vanilla in it, there's still sugar, all that kind of stuff.
Oh yeah.
That's nice.
I like that.
Yeah.
That's a good afternoon cookie.
Yeah.
You know, like a pre-dinner cookie.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Oh, so nice.
Surprising. And I actually really like the way they look.
Me too.
I think they look cute.
Scones.
Okay. They look like they are just pure cheese. But that is the color of spice. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Not too spicy.
No, not yet. I'm kind of like getting it in waves, little bits. Or I must have put my tongue on like...
Yeah, a little bit. I get it a little bit. It's like building a bit.
I think if you get a bite that has more concentration.
I would add more to this though.
I think you could.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're also not really tasting the flavor of it.
Yeah.
Which I want to. I
Yeah.
just don't want the spice too much.
Yeah, I think it needs more gochujang.
Yeah, I can see that.
But it's
still
promising.
pretty good as it is.
No, yeah, it's a great scone. It's cheesy. It's nice. All right, what's your favorite?
Mushrooms.
Good thing it's coming to the blog.
That's the one that's an actual recipe. They're all good, but the mushrooms are pretty perfect.
Yeah. Would you make any of these again outside of that one?
I think so.
Good.
Yeah.
Yay.
In the comments, what's your favorite Savoury Bakery item?
Yeah. And I also I'm so intrigued how people make other things sweet. Like I keep trying to find savory versions of I want a savory cinnamon roll. I want a savory scone, savory cookie. Are there such things as savory cakes?
Let us know.
I want to know. I want to make all the classic baked goods just savory versions.
Okay. So maybe if you give us enough help,
Yeah.
we'll do another Savoury Bakery this year.
Yeah.
Yeah, and let us know in the comments which one of these you want to try. Obviously, this one, the mushroom one, will be coming to the blog.
Yeah, in a couple weeks from when this is posted.
Look for that in places where recipes exist. And yeah, share this, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. And our bakery is closed for the day, for the month.
Sold out.
We sold out. These are all pre-orders, actually, so sorry to tease you like that.
All right, bye.
We have to shut down and start again in a few hours at this rate.
Oh God.
No.